Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to exclude or include any file type from search index in Windows computer. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the control panel and just click on this category option. And now just click on this plus icons. Now here you will see one option, indexing options. Just click on it. Now here you will see advanced option. Just click on it. Now on the above you will see here file types option. Now here you will see all the file types which are being selected. So if you want to exclude a respective file type, then just untick the respective file type which you want to exclude, and after that you can click on OK. And if you want to add a new extension file type, you can just add it under this box, whichever you want to add here, and you can click on this add, then it will get added as you can see here. So once you're done with your selection, just click on this OK, and now you can close it. And finally we have exclude or include any file type from the search index in Windows computer using this cool method. So if you never known about the cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.